A smile costs nothing but gives much. Be more concerned with your character than with your reputation, for your character is what you are, while your reputation is merely what others think you are. Fear doesn't exist anywhere except in the mind. If you want to change people, why not begin on yourself? That is a lot more profitable and a lot less dangerous. Knowledge isn't power until it is applied. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. People are not interested in you, they are not interested in me, they are interested in themselves. Morning, noon and after dinner. Of course your husband has a lot of drawbacks. If he had none, he would never marry you. When fate hands you lemons, make lemonade. Criticisms are like homing pigeons, they always return home. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. The desire for the feeling of importance is one of the chief distinguishing differences between mankind and the animals. The expression one wears on one's face is far more important than the clothes one wears on one's back. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. Listening carefully to a person is the greatest compliment we can give him. The load of tomorrow added to that of yesterday carried today makes the strongest falter. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. People sometimes become villains in order to win sympathy and attention and get a feeling of importance. Do the hard jobs first, the easy jobs will take care of themselves. The gun that scatters too much does not bag the birds. Man is not made to understand life but to live it. Smile. Today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. Always make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. Keep busy, it's the cheapest kind of medicine there is on this earth and one of the best. Rarely succeed.